Welcome back to another exciting episode of Fever Originals 2.0, India's first original music countdown show for the artists and by the artists. ये शो एक ऐसा शो है जहाँ पर हम आर्टिस्ट को बुलाते हैं, उनकी जर्नी के बारे में जानते हैं, सीखते हैं, म्यूजिक कैसे बना, क्या थॉट प्रोसेस थी जब आप एक ट्रैक बना रहे थे. यही सवाल हम उस आर्टिस्ट से पूछते हैं. टुडे आई हैव गॉट अ वेरी स्पेशल फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन जो ना, आई टेल यू व्हाट, ये जून और अगस्त के बीच में मुझे बहुत ज्यादा मिलते हैं क्योंकि मुंबई में, इंडिया में इस समय पर बारिश होती है एंड ही इज नोन फॉर बारिश. ही कहते हैं ना कि एक ओल्ड सेइंग है कि कुछ जगहों पर मेंढकों की शादी करा देते हैं बारिश के लिए, बट व्हेन ही स्टार्ट्स सिंगिंग इट ऑटोमेटिकली स्टार्ट्स रेनिंग. दैट्स द पावर ऑफ हिज वॉइस एंड हिज सिंगिंग prowess. My brother Stebin Ben with us today. What's happening, bro? I am so happy you're here. First up, let's discuss the new avatar, the new look, bro. चल क्या रहा है, मतलब हाई प्रोटीन लो कार्ब डाइट, व्हाट्स हैपनिंग ब्रो?
It's all the transformation is happening. I think I'm just inspired from Glenn's look. Every time I'm coming to the station, I'm like कि अब ये क्या करूँ मैं ग्लेन से अच्छा दिखने के लिए.
भाई इसीलिए इतने साल में रेडियो पे ही था. I had the perfect face for radio. That's why I am here.
But you're doing everything.
Thank you, bro. Thank you so much.
What else you want?
No, मैं चाहूँ तो बहुत सारी चीजें कर सकता हूँ और कर भी रहा हूँ, but we want to know about your journey, your music, and so much more that you've been doing all this while. Let's start off with, first up, how you been, bhai? How has the year been for you so far?
See, I've been great. You know that I've been coming here for good long years now. I think 21, 22, I've released a lot of songs. 23, मुझे लगता है मैंने काफी कम गाने release किए because I think I got exposed to so many concerts and so many shows. So my season was so packed and I was traveling every day that I actually got very less time to sing songs. मुझे काफी कम वक्त मिला गाने के लिए. तो मुझे लगता है कि अब वो वक्त आ गया. 24 का जून आ चुका है and I think I prepared a lot of songs. So this is the first song which has come now.
Right.
And मुझे लगता है कि I'm very happy that the first song has come out and now I think I'm gonna be spontaneous. I'm gonna be like consistent with the songs. I'm gonna be releasing a lot of songs जो लोग सुनना चाहते हैं. और मैंने उसके लिए वक्त दिया है, काफी सारे गाने रेडी किए इस वक्त, शोज से ब्रेक लेकर. अभी 3 महीने ब्रेक लिया है काफी ज्यादा, और 3 महीने में बहुत कुछ रेडी किया है. एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन अपने ऊपर किया, जो आप बोल रहे हो हाई प्रोटीन आपको चल रहा है, ये पूरा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन मैंने इस 3 महीने के दौरान किया है, सो दैट पीपल शुड सी अ डिफरेंट स्टेबिन. मुझे लगता है हर साल आपको कुछ नया देना होता है ना लोगों को. दे आल्सो वांट टू सी व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन योर लाइफ apart from music. How's everything going? Like all of that, I want people to see now and like.
Yeah, I love what you said क्योंकि music, people know you for your music. People लोग जानते हैं कि आप live concerts में perform करते हैं और ये you do this regularly. People know that you release music, but there's something beyond that. They want to know who is Stebin as a person. Stebin Ben कौन है? What does he do? What does he eat? What's his life like? And that's what we're going to decode on the show on Fever Originals 2.0. तो एक काम करते हैं, शुरुआत करते हैं शुरू से. Stebin, how has it been for you in terms of music, man? You know, every artist goes through a phase of highs and lows. ये ऐसा नहीं कि आप परफॉर्म करते तो सबको बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, दिखने के लिए सब अच्छा लगता है, but there are moments of where you go through a creative block and all of those things. How do you tackle that?
Of course, there's always been highs and lows in music also. Now for me, already my journey started in 2020, 2021, 22, and I think I've seen a lot of hit tracks going on.
Yeah.
23 I've realized that कि suddenly काफी कम गाने रिलीज भी हो रहे थे और काफी कम गाने चल भी रहे थे. If you see, there has been, according to me, काफी कम गाने चले 23, 24 में सभी के. So मुझे लगता है कि I also needed a break. All my friends also took break, especially my friend like Jani. He also took some break and he also wanted some good time. Because जब होता है ना कि जब गाने कम चल रहे होते हैं तो उस वक्त आपको भी थोड़ा ब्रेक लेना चाहिए, समझना चाहिए कि I think people need some change. People also need. So I think I've taken that whole time of also understanding what is that I want to give. And I also felt that कि you know, I've been doing songs what I've been getting. मैं हमेशा वो गाने कर रहा हूँ जो लोग मुझे बना के दे रहे हैं. But I thought that I need to give some change where I have started involving. मैंने काफी वक्त देना चालू कर दिया songs को. Now I'm sitting with people also. I'm also trying to understand the pulse of people. कि लोगों को अब क्या चाहिए? What is that they want to listen? उनका mood क्या है? उनको अब क्या नए generation में mix करके मैं उनको दूँ? So I'm also experimenting, understanding this.
So basically you're moving with time. तो आपको लग रहा है कि यार चल थोड़ा सा ब्रेक लेते हैं, थोड़ा सा 2 कदम पीछे लेते हैं. And I keep saying this on the show also a lot of times that sometimes you need to step 2 steps behind and then you know propel ahead to see what lies ahead. भाई दिलजीत क्या आदमी है यार. मतलब जिमी फैलन के शो में चले गए, कोचेला के स्टेज पर परफॉर्म कर दिया, कनाडा में परफॉर्म किया. If you have to describe Diljit in one line.
I think everything in one person. Like I think the complete package. That's what I'll say for Diljit. I think he's a rock star on stage. I think एक ऐसा इंसान जो मुझे लगता है कि मुझे लगता ही नहीं है कि वो प्रिटेंड ही नहीं कर सकता वो आदमी. मुझे लगता है वो जो है वही है. हाँ. और वो स्टेज पे भी वही है और वो बात करने पे भी
वही है।
सो आई थिंक मुझे लगता है कि मैंने किसी का आर्टिस्ट को ऐसे देखा नहीं जो इनफैक्ट अपने स्टेज पे भी वही है, बिकॉज आई बिकम अ डिफरेंट पर्सन व्हेन आई एम ऑन स्टेज. लाइक इन जनरल आई एम वेरी सिंपल, आई एम चिलिंग, आई एम लाइक दैट, बट व्हेन आई गो टू स्टेज आई बिकम अ डिफरेंट पर्सन.
राइट.
I think he keeps that aura all the time.
All the time.
Yeah, he's that simple guy on the stage. Also, he'll be talking anything, anywhere. I think that's the fun about him.
That's the fun, absolutely. और नाम ही काफी है यार, दिलजीत. Bro, आपका नया ट्रैक आया है, okay? And we're pretty stoked for it because we were having this conversation off the mic. आपने कहा जब आप completely invested होते हैं उस ट्रैक में, वो Midas touch होता है उसका. It turns to gold.
Yeah.
Now tell us about this latest track of yours and everything around it.
So like I was looking for a lot of new songs because I also wanted to give something very beautiful to my audience, and this year especially I was not releasing a Barish song, which jo har saal
Yes.
ho jata hai. So I was thinking they have to give something very different. And then then again with my team Viral Originals, I've been doing a lot of songs with them. Like I've done my whole Barish journey with Viral Originals. So this year we all thought that we should give them something different. And then I heard this song, Chahu, and I got to know that I'm doing this duet with Neeti.
Yeah.
And abhi tak I think I've done my duet with everybody. I think my last duet was Shreya ji. Both the songs have worked beautifully. This time I was very excited for work with Neeti because I think her voice is so beautiful. And this song when I heard, I think I fell in love with the song. And I was very sure that I want to do this song. I dubbed it 2-3 times. I've taken a lot of time to dub this song. I've given it a lot of time, and then when I heard the story, the whole song, the lyrics, I got into the song, I got into the emotion of the song, and I've lived some time with it. And then we went to shoot the song, and then the whole song is now out today. I'm so excited.
Dude, we're very, very excited for this one, primarily because you said the collaboration between you and Neeti. It's the first time you guys
It's the first time, yeah.
right? And I have known Neeti for years now. जब वो Popstars में आई थी पहली बार, तब से मैं उनको जानता, तब से उनकी journey, and it's been unbelievable. I've also worked with Shakti, her sister. So yeah, that's really close to home. The whole Mohan sister clan, because they're amazing. They're amazingly talented. They're exceptional, man. They're queens, literally.
I think all 3 sisters are like rock stars.
Seriously, Shakti, Mukti, Nikti.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
It's so beautiful to see all 3 sisters का उनके बीच में जिस तरीके से वो साथ में sync होते हैं. I've seen their performances together. And it's magical.
It's magical
because all 3 somewhere look like each other.
Yeah.
And then the performances, I think it's great when they are doing it together.
But bhai, a lot of people have witnessed you perform live, and the fans go completely crazy and Kawabanga when you also perform live. We know some crazy fan stories also. उसको decode करेंगे कुछ देर के बाद, but we need a few lines of Chahu before I drop it on the show, man.
चाहूं मैं तुझे, चाहूं सदा के लिए, चाहूं मैं तुझे, चाहूं सदा के लिए, हर जन्म हर एक दफा के लिए, हर जन्म हर एक दफा के लिए, चाहूं मैं तुझे, चाहूं सदा के लिए, चाहूं मैं तुझे, चाहूं सदा के लिए.
Ladies and gentlemen, I get the golden opportunity to sit here and witness this live. We're going to discuss about some crazy fan moments, man. Stebin, you perform live so many gigs all around the world. ऐसा बहुत बार होता है कि crazy fan moment होता है. Tell us about the wildest fan moment you've had, and let it be unfiltered right now, because यहाँ पे candid conversations चलती हैं भाई.
I think the wildest I remember is I think I've told it before that I think I was doing a concert in Dubai. And while I was in the concert, there was a girl who was continuously there. मतलब सब बैठे हुए थे, but वो she stood up and she came with a camera and she was standing there. And she was like a very beautiful looking girl. And I was also like, yeah, I was also seeing her, yeah, nice. And I was also like, you know, like
Hi, hello times.
Hi, hello times. I was also like giving good vibes to her. Cut to then, what happens is basically I finished my show and I like can't find her here there. And I also like slowly like going to my room, and my room was in the same hotel.
Okay. जहाँ पे शो हो रहा था.
Yeah, because that's generally I prefer कि आसपास ही कहीं.
आसपास ही.
And ऊपर मैं पहुंचा हूँ रूम में, and suddenly, and काफी लंबा रास्ता था पहुंचते and there was nobody. Suddenly like the bell rings, right? Suddenly मैं एकदम दरवाजा खोलता हूँ, देखता हूँ that the girl is standing. And I remember that the girl was with a whole gang of people, right? So I remember that there were people here left and right. So I also asked that कि यार who was that girl करके, उसने बोला कि I think she came with a family and her husband. तो मैंने बोला okay, तो मैंने बोला ठीक है, अब तो तुम्हारा समझ में आ गया कि भाई शादी हो गई बंदे की. उसके बाद कट तो जब दरवाजे मेरे सामने देखा, मैं I was not excited, I was Like I was like completely, I was shaking कि भाई ये बंदी क्या कर रही है यहाँ पे? इसका सब आवाज़ में like hi, yeah hi, I was just looking for you and I looking for you and entered the room. I'm like कि where's your husband? बोलते he's down only. मैंने बोला please you also go down. Please go down. आप जल्दी से जाओ.
Bro, that is sometimes that can be really scary. I also know of facts that sometimes when you're performing, somebody कभी गलती से किसी ने आपको pinch कर दिया या किसी ने somebody comes and hugs you or you.
But that has happened. See, that's the kind of love you.
That yeah.
That's the love you get.
हाँ.
अभी तक लकीली ऐसे कोई इतनी फनी एक्टिविटी नहीं हुई मेरे साथ की बिकॉज आई थिंक मैं तो स्टेज पे लड़कियों से अच्छा इंटरेक्शन रखता हूँ, लड़कों के साथ भी ज्यादा अच्छा इंटरेक्शन रखता हूँ बिकॉज बॉयज आर नॉटी. सो बॉयज को ये फील होना चाहिए कि भाई हमारे साथ वो नहीं हुआ है, हमें बराबर इक्वालिटी नहीं मिली है, तो मैं तो कोशिश करता हूँ कि भाई बराबर उनको भी अटेंशन मिलना चाहिए. So that has been very well.
भाई मैं एक फनी फैन इंटरेक्शन की बात करता हूँ आपसे. एक बार क्या हुआ था, एक बंदा मुझे मिला था, मुझे बोलता है, मुझे देख के बोलता है सर आई लव योर वर्क, मजा आ गया आपको देख के, आप इतना अच्छा काम करते हैं फलाना फलाना. मैंने बोला यार मैंने इतना का काम किया यार, ये जो बोल रहा है. तो मैं किसी एक शो को होस्ट कर रहा था, किसी एक वेब सीरीज को. समहाउ माई फेस मैच द एक्टर. उसके हिसाब से मेरे हिसाब से तो 19-20 का भी फर्क नहीं है, बहुत लंबा डिफरेंस था. तो ये मुझे बार बार देख रहा है और ये समझ रहा है कि मैं वो एक्टर हूँ.
अच्छा.
उस पोस्टर पे तो ये मेरे को मेरी तारीफों की पुल बांध रहा है, बोल रहा है सर आपके साथ कोलैबोरेट करना है, ये करना है, वो करना है, फलाना. इतनी बातें चली आधे घंटे के लिए. फिर और मैंने ना उसका बबल नहीं तोड़ना था क्योंकि मुझे भी अच्छा लग रहा था, मुझे भी ईगो मसाज मिल रहा था. फिर उसका दोस्त आया पीछे थे, उसने उसको ऐसा टैप किया और कहा ब्रो, he said this I kid you not bro, sir I'll meet you later on, I'll see you later on. भाई मेरा ये फैन इंटरेक्शन हुआ है. That is why bottom line of this whole experiment and whatever we spoke about right now is Steven Ben stud और मैं बन गया custard. तो that's the end. That's the end. We gotta put a full stop to this.
No, I'm very sure you'll have a lot of fan moments. And मुझे लगता है सबसे ज्यादा फैन फॉलोइंग तो आप लोगों की होती है क्योंकि आप लोग हर दिन इंटरेक्ट कर रहे होते हैं लोगों से. ये लोग दो सोचते हैं किसकी आवाज है ये,
पर भाई आजकल सब
सेक्सी आवाज भी निकालते हो बहुत.
भाई वो तो मैं जब मैं रात का शो करता था ना,
देखा ही नहीं कि सामने भी लड़का सेक्सी दिखता है, तो फिर तो
बाबा मैं और जब रात का शो करता था तभी ऐसे करता था. अभी मॉर्निंग शो में ऐसे सब करना अलाउड नहीं है ना, अलाउड नहीं है. रात के शो में मेरा एक शो था कॉल्ड अंधेरी रात में माइक तेरे हाथ में.
टी-शर्ट फॉर अलाउड.
एज एन आर्टिस्ट कुछ समय पहले हमने बात की थी अबाउट क्रिएटिव ब्लॉक्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दोस थिंग्स, बट देयर आर थिंग्स दैट यू आल्सो डू टू डी स्ट्रेस. जैसे हम करते हैं, हम म्यूजिक सुनते हैं, आप क्या करते हो?
I think I love to go on drives. That's my favorite pastime. Anywhere, any city in the world I am, I might just like take a car of my friend, or I would just take a convertible car or something, because I think that for me is like de-stress. Also, I think मैं generally मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि थोड़ा वर्कआउट करने से भी जिम करने से भी काफी ज्यादा वो चेंज होता है माहौल. So I think what I've realized that earlier what I used to do is basically do some sport. Now what I've got into properly workout. So I think my whole routine is like everyday workout and I keep myself like occupied there. And it's just मुझे लगता है कि आप कितना भी आप थके हुए हो या कुछ भी हो, थोड़ा सा अगर वर्कआउट कर लेते हो तो आपको वो सब कुछ चेंज कर देता है, स्ट्रेस हो जाते हो आप.
No, I completely agree with you because a lot of people say that यार हम थक गए इसलिए वर्कआउट नहीं कर सकते. But I feel that when you work out you get energized.
Yeah, 100%.
Unless you're very tired and you haven't slept, that can injure your body.
Yeah.
So please don't work out if you haven't slept, because I've done those galatis and then उसके बाद मुझे उसका बहुत नुकसान हुआ है मेरी बॉडी को. But I'm saying that if you will be more energized if you do a little bit of an exercise or play a sport or something of that sort.
I used to actually perform my concerts on coffee, but then post my workout now, अब जब से workout चालू किया है, I don't even eat coffee.
You feel that
like that.
You feel a spark, no?
Yeah, the energy is there just because of the workout.
Nice man. I think this is what a workout does. It changes your whole अंदर की जो वायरिंग है ना आपकी बदल जाती है completely. आपने बात की थी कुछ समय पहले कि हर बारी जब बारिश होती है तो आप एक गाना ड्रॉप करते हो, and I have to drop one track, but बारिश is your thing, bro.
Yeah.
It's your thing. Tell us one Barish track that you want to drop over here. Your choice.
I think should be Barish Ban Jana. I think because for me that song has actually surprised me also. Because I think the first Barish I released was in 2020. That was
lockdown time.
Yeah. And for me only that time only मुझे ऐसा लगा कि यार लोग कितना पसंद करेंगे, क्या करेंगे, and the song became a hit song overnight. And उससे ज़्यादा उसके लिए हम part 2 निकाले थे बारिश बन जाना in 2021. So I was like कि हम अगर इसको भी मैच कर पाएंगे नहीं कर पाएंगे, because I think बारिश was already 120 million something. So but this song actually was a rage. Overnight, the song going here, the song reached 100 million in like just few days, and we touched 500, and then we kept going. The song was trending everywhere, and it surprised me that how much people love Barish songs. And that is when this whole Barish era has come now. I think everybody started releasing Barish songs, and then I think people were expecting more of Barish from me. And every year there was a challenge for me also to release Barish.
Right.
And I think somewhere जो मुझे बारिश से कभी थी एलर्जी थी, मैं मतलब भागता था बारिश को देख के. I have started enjoying the बारिश because it has changed me completely. Now I think whenever I see बारिश, I actually go into the बारिश. Where I used to run away from बारिश. I don't mind like opening the rooftop and like just sitting in the car or like just go in the balconies. I've started enjoying the बारिश. So this has all changed my journey because of that one song.
2 लाइन हो जाए यार if you're sure. Let's go for
why
it.
not?
जब मैं बादल बन जाऊं, तुम भी बारिश बन जाना. जो कम पड़ जाए सांसें, तो मेरा दिल बन जाना. रिमझिम सावन की बूंदे, तू हर मौसम बरसाना. जो कम पड़ जाए सांसें, तो मेरा दिल बन जाना.
Seven, I promised our listeners, viewers a while ago कि कुछ inside information आने वाली है. Projects कुछ आ रहे हैं आगे that we should be waiting, looking forward to.
Yeah, I think like I said that I want to release a song every month.
Wow, so that is in the kitty.
That is in the kitty. I think I've actually worked on 18 songs.
Okay.
And those 18 songs are like, I've given my heart to it. It's like, for me, they're all beautiful. So I'll be releasing it one by one. I'm actually, in fact, going to London to shoot 2 songs. And I'm very happy and I'm very excited that how are these songs going to work. Like, in fact, Chahu is the first song and I'm really looking forward कि इसको लोग कितना प्यार देते हैं. And then post this, I'm going to release all the songs.
Album EP का कुछ है ऐसा इरादा?
आई थिंक अगर ये गाना हिट हो गया ना 101%, क्योंकि ये 18 गाने जो है उसको मैं एल्बम भी डाल सकता हूँ. सो आई थिंक आई वाज जस्ट वेटिंग दैट हाउ पीपल आर अडैप्टिंग टू दीस सॉन्ग्स. आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड बिकॉज आई थिंक पीपल हैव गिवन मी सो मच लव टू थोड़ा थोड़ा प्यार, दीवाने हम नहीं होते, बारिश बन जाना. एंड सो आई थिंक आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू release a lot of songs for them. And then you see कैसा होता है, क्या होता है.
यार fingers crossed. ये हम यही कह रहे हैं कि we want to send you all the love and all the awesomeness from the universe because आपने पूरे दिल से ये गाने को बनाया है, so वो हिट तो होना ही है. And we look forward to the album also. But first up, Seven, the greatest success I think that we have, whenever we do something as kids, as millennials, Gen Zs, whatever, millennial kids especially, is when parents start feeling proud of you. That feeling of when people share WhatsApp videos with family and says, we saw your son perform or we saw this happen. Wow, he's done so much. How is that feeling for you when you go back home?
I think the feeling is beautiful. See, my dad and mom, they both are not really expressive. But I can see that in their eyes that how proud they are and how much love they have for me. क्योंकि like
यार ये देसी पेरेंट का ये है कि मैं बोलता हूँ देसी बेटे ने अगर डैड को हक कर लिया ना तो वो सबसे बड़ी अचीवमेंट है. वो वाला फंडा है.
Especially small town families. Like we all come from small town. So I think when I see my mom and dad, वो शायद इतनी बातें नहीं बोल पाएंगे, इतना एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाएंगे, बट उनकी आंखों में वो दिखता है. हर बार जब हम कहीं बाहर जाते हैं, जैसे कहीं कोई स्पेशल मोमेंट होता है, so my dad will take his phone and he'll start like making videos. There are a lot of cute moments. They will like, जब मैं घर पे आता हूँ तो पूरे टाइम मेरे ही वीडियोस चलते रहते हैं घर पे. My dad and mom are only watching me on the television. They're only seeing me, my videos, my thing. Instagram पे मुझे ही देखते रहते हैं. They are the biggest stalkers of my life. So like this is the most beautiful thing.
Right.
Like they would not express, but I see the love in them. I see that how much love they have for me.
भाई ये बात आपने बहुत अच्छी बोली है. और कोई पीस ऑफ एडवाइस जो आपको मिलती है, लाइक मेरे घर में ना हमेशा, बिकॉज आपने कहा ना कि आई हैव कम फ्रॉम अ सिंपल फैमिली टू व्हाटएवर आई हैव डन, व्हाटएवर लिटिल आई हैव अचीव्ड इन लाइफ, तो वो हमेशा एक होता है कि जस्ट बी हम्बल. रिमेंबर, जस्ट कीप योर फीट ऑन द ग्राउंड. डोंट you have it today, it may not be there tomorrow, but just learn to be humble. So do you get any piece of advice like that?
I think the only advice is that कि वो मुझे बोलते हैं कि कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ों में अपना statement मत देना, because see they are very simple people, both my dad and mom. So I think the only fear is that we don't want to get into any controversy or unnecessary things. So that's the only thing they fear. So they always tell me that we are small people, we shouldn't be doing this, we shouldn't be passing any statement and stuff. And I'm like, dad, mom, chill, relax. I'm in general also like
you're very careful as a person also, whatever I know you.
Also very somebody who don't like to like give
unnecessary कोई बात नहीं करेंगे आप.
I'm generally very chill person. I'm like give love, take love.
Well, I think that's a simple mantra. I think from at least what your parents and my parents say is keep calm, say calm.
Yeah.
Don't get involved unnecessarily where it's not required. अपना काम करते रहना, अच्छा काम करो, प्यार बांटना.
Yeah, बस.
I mean that's a very beautiful thing, and you know what, we're going to प्यार बांटेंगे यहाँ पे फीवर ओरिजिनल्स 2.0 पे. 7th ट्रैक चाहूँ, वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दिस ट्रैक. बहुत सारा सक्सेस मिले इस ट्रैक को, बहुत सारा प्यार मिले, क्योंकि आपने प्रॉमिस किया है कि अगर ये हो जाता है तो एल्बम तो पक्का है.
Yeah, 100%.
So we will wish for love, positivity, awesomeness from the entire universe for this track, because शाहरुख खान साहब ने भी कहा है ये नॉन फिल्म गाने हम ड्रॉप करते हैं यहाँ पे, बट शाहरुख खान से अगर तुम किसी चीज़ को पूरे दिल से चाहते हो तो पूरी कायनात आपको उससे मिलाने में जुड़ जाती है. हम देसी लोग हैं, फिल्मी लोग हैं, सो आई एम गोइंग टू विश दैट लव फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्स फॉर यू एंड फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर ट्रैक. Bro, before we wrap up the show, is there anything that you'd like to say to the fans and to budding artists, because it's a very hard journey. ये आपने बहुत मेहनत करके आप यहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं, but it is not so easy for everybody. So is there anything that you'd like to say?
I think it's everybody's journey, and I think the best I'll tell them is that कि इतना भी दूसरों को मत सुनो, कहीं ना कहीं खुद की भी सुनो, and अपनी journey को खुद forward लेके जाओ, because I think you only know your situation and you only know your struggle and your journey. I think the only thing I can say is that don't give away, like मतलब don't give up on your dreams ever. Ever. मुझे लगता है कि no matter how hard it is, you need to keep trying, you need to keep going. मतलब शायद ऐसा लगेगा काफी बार कि इसके ऊपर कुछ नहीं है. Like मेरी लाइफ में ऐसे एक स्टेज आया था जहाँ मुझे लगा इसके बाद अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता. But then I kept,
Really? You had that phase?
I had this phase in my life. And for 3 years, you know, like then मुझे लगा कि नहीं, मुझे अभी भी गिव अप नहीं करना है. अगर और वो एक लास्ट टेस्टिंग जो थी ना, उसके बाद लाइफ चेंज हुई. तो शायद वो अगर गिव अप कर दिया होता तो वहाँ गड़बड़ हो गया होता. I would have gone back to Bhopal, where I belong. But then I think that whole decision of me like नहीं रुकना है has changed everything for me. So I think all I feel is that see, the journey is going to be yours. Take it your way because you only know it. But yeah, just don't give it up. Just don't give it, because someone else will just come and take your dreams and just take the journey ahead.
Man, I love what you said that. बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि हम गिव अप करने वाले होते हैं और शायद वो एक आखिरी अटेम्प्ट, वो आखिरी अटेम्प्ट could change things for you.
Yeah.
And this boy has lived that dream, and he's living that dream, and he's going to continue living that lovely dream of his. I'm going to be leaving you with this one, saying tara, bye bye, ciao ciao. Take care of your health, take care of your family, and remember, don't you ever forget to stay original. My name is RJ Glenn, and we're signing off. Ciao.